Good afternoon everyone, we're in Sutton in Surrey today working on this 2015 Vauxhall Insignia. The client's already had a DPF clean from another supplier and felt the vehicle was still a bit sluggish, so he's got us in to do a carbon clean service on it. We're doing a 3-stage service on this one. So that's our hydrogen carbon cleaning machine, which is currently pumping hydrogen into the engine at the moment and burning the carbon off. Our 2-stage injector cleaner and our 3-stage chemical cleaner, which burns off the oily gunk and dries out the carbon for the hydrogen machine. So both of these two have already been administered, and we're on the hydrogen cleaning now. This process takes all in, including diagnostic that we supply free of charge, approximately 45 to 60 minutes. We come to you and costs £149.99, so great value for money. We also offer DPF cleaning services, remapping and diagnostics. If you need our services, please give us a call on 01293 769495, or you can send us a message below. Just to add to that as well, we also work on commercial vehicles. If it's a petrol or a diesel engine, we can help you. Have a great day.